Most people think you need a $50,000 loan, a fancy office, and a big team to start a real business. That is exactly why most new businesses fail. In 2026, the smartest entrepreneurs are doing the opposite. They are starting lean, mobile, and simple. Welcome to Smart Business Hub, where we break down real numbers, real strategies, and businesses that actually work in today's economy. If you want practical ideas, you can start without risking your savings. Make sure you subscribe now, because this channel is built for action takers, not dreamers. Let's start with something simple but powerful. Instead of saying, "I'll start a cleaning business," narrow it down. The real opportunity is in micro-cleaning niches like Airbnb turnovers or post-construction cleaning. Airbnb hosts don't just want clean spaces. They need speed. They need reliability. They need someone who can handle same-day turnovers without excuses. And they are willing to pay more for that peace of mind. Here's how the numbers work. Your startup cost is around $300. Basic supplies, a good vacuum, quality cleaning chemicals, gloves, and maybe simple liability insurance. That's it. Now, the revenue. Airbnb turnovers typically pay between $80 and $120 per clean, depending on property size. If you handle just 5 turnovers per week, that's $400 to $600 weekly. That's $1,600 to $2,400 per month from a side hustle that didn't even cost $1,000 to start. And here's the blueprint step most people miss. Don't run ads. Go to Facebook. Search for local Airbnb host groups in your city. Join them. Introduce yourself professionally. Offer your first clean at 50% off to prove your reliability. Once hosts trust you, they rarely switch providers. This becomes repeat income. Now let's move to idea number 2. And this one has even stronger margins. Mobile tech repair. Think iPhone screen replacements and battery swaps. But instead of opening a shop and paying rent, you go to the customer. Meet them at a coffee shop, their driveway, their office parking lot. Convenience is what you're selling. People hate leaving their phone at a repair shop for 4 hours. They'll gladly pay extra for a 30-minute fix done in front of them. Your startup cost is about $500. A quality repair toolkit costs around $50. Buying inventory for 3 or 4 common iPhone screens might cost $200 to $300. Add some gas money, and you re-ready. Now look at the math. A screen might cost you $30 wholesale. You charge $130 for the repair. That's $100 profit on one job. One job per day equals $3,000 per month in profit. Not revenue. Profit. And you didn't rent a building or hire staff. The blueprint here is skill first, marketing second. Watch repair tutorials on YouTube for free. Order a practice kit online. Fix 5 phones for friends at cost price to build confidence. Then list your service on Facebook Marketplace, local community groups, and Google Business Profile. Start small, build reviews, and raise prices slowly. Notice something important. Both of these businesses are simple. They solve urgent problems, and they focus on convenience and speed. That's the pattern of low-cost, high-profit businesses in 2026. And we're only getting started. Now, let's talk about the business model that costs absolutely nothing to start. No inventory, no equipment, no office, just your phone and your time. This is the short-form content agency model, and in 2026, it is one of the most overlooked opportunities hiding in plain sight. Every local business owner knows they should be posting on Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube Shorts. But plumbers don't want to edit videos. Real estate agents don't have time to cut clips. Bakery owners are busy baking, not adding captions and transitions. They have money, but no time. That's the gap you step into. Here's the blueprint. You offer short-form video editing services specifically for boring but profitable businesses. You take their raw videos and turn them into engaging 30 to 60-second clips. You add captions, simple transitions, trending audio, and clear call to actions. That's it. Startup cost? Zero. Use your current phone. Use free apps like CapCut or free desktop software. No paid tools required in the beginning. Now let's talk math, because numbers make things real. You charge $500 per month for 4 edited videos. That's just one video per week. If you land 6 clients, that's $3,000 per month. No inventory, no rent, no employees. And here's the exact action step. Go on Instagram right now. Search local businesses in your city. Find 5 that have weak or inconsistent content. Download one of their videos, edit it into something better, and send it to them with a simple message. Hi, I made this sample edit for you. I can create videos like this every week to help you get more local customers. You're not begging. You're demonstrating value. Most people never try because they think they need experience. You don't. You need effort and consistency. That's the blueprint. Now, let's shift into something more passive but still under $1,000 to start. Niche digital templates. And I don't mean generic motivational quotes or random planners. I mean specific, problem-solving templates. Think contract templates for wedding photographers, budget spreadsheets for college students, social media content planners for fitness coaches. Very specific, very targeted. Why does this work? Because people don't want to build systems from scratch. They want ready-made solutions. Startup cost is basically $0 to $50. You can use Canva's free version. You can use Google Sheets. Etsy listing fees are about 20 cents. That's it. Now, the math. Let us say you create a bundle and price it at $20. If you sell just one per day, that's $600 per month. And the best part? You build it once and sell it forever. No shipping, no storage, no customer meetings. The blueprint step here is simple. Go to Etsy. Search the word templates. Filter by best-selling. Study what is already working. Then create a better, cleaner, more specific version. Better design, better instructions, clearer value. Notice the pattern again. Low startup cost, clear problem, specific audience, strong margins. And now we're moving into the final idea, the one with the highest profit margin on this list. This is where many beginners level up from side hustle to serious monthly income. Now, let's talk about the highest profit margin idea on this list. Specialized gift boxes. This is not about random Amazon products or generic gift baskets. This is about solving a very specific gifting problem. Think new dog mom box. Think corporate employee welcome kit. Think long-distance best friend box. You are not selling items. You are selling convenience and emotion. Here's why this works so well. People don't want to drive to 5 different stores looking for the perfect combination of items. They want one beautiful box that already feels thoughtful and complete. You save them time. And time is valuable. Let's break down the numbers. Your startup cost is around $400. That includes buying small inventory in bulk like mugs, notebooks, candles, snacks, or pet toys. You also invest in clean, attractive packaging. Presentation matters here. Now the math. Let us say your total cost to build one box is $25. You sell it for $65. That has $40 profit on a single box. If you sell just 10 boxes per week, that's $400 per week, around $1,600 per month. And that's conservative. The blueprint step is important. Do not buy massive inventory on day one. Create one prototype box. Make it look premium. Take beautiful photos in natural sunlight. Post it on TikTok and Pinterest. Test demand first. When you start receiving interest or pre-orders, then scale inventory. Notice something powerful across all 5 ideas. None required a loan. None required an office. None required employees. What they required was action and focus. But here's the truth. Most people don't want to hear. The idea is not the hard part. Getting your first customer is the hard part. Even if you pick the perfect business model, you will struggle if you don't know how to get attention without spending money on ads. That's why I created a full breakdown showing exactly how to get your first 5 clients using only Google Maps and Instagram. No paid ads, no complicated funnels, just simple outreach and positioning. If you are serious about turning less than $1,000 into a real income stream in 2026, that is the next video you need to watch. Before you click, I want to ask you something. Which of these 5 would you actually start? Micro-cleaning? Mobile tech repair? Short-form content agency? Digital templates? Or specialized gift boxes? Comment below and tell me your choice. I read every comment, and it helps me create content that matches what you truly want. And if this video gave you clarity or confidence, share it with someone who keeps saying, "I want to start something, but I don't have money." Sometimes people don't need capital. They need direction. This is Smart Business Hub. We don't hype. We don't sell dreams. We break down simple blueprints that real people can execute. Now click the video on your screen, and I'll show you exactly how to land your first 5 customers for free. Let's build smart in 2026.